Welcome back to eSIM Studios. Raycon was kind enough to send over their latest and greatest earbuds here for free in exchange an honest and fair review, and that's what I'm about to give you because you know you get inside the retail box of the everyday earbuds by Raycon. You obviously get the case here with the earbuds inside, just like that. And then you also get a small box here with the provided charging cable. It is a USB Type A on the right to USB Type C on the left. You get a nice, cool Raycon sticker. Look at that. Throw that on your car, on your laptop, on your computer. Nice. I love these. I wish more manufacturers would do that. Nice sticker of their logo on there. That's really cool. You get a starting guide, right? So it tells you basic Bluetooth functions and how to pair it to your device. But we showed you how to do that. It's very, very easy, but you got it in writing here. I tell you how the fit is supposed to go in your ear. It tells you how to clean your earbuds, put on the proper size tips, which come provided as well. You get I think 4 sizes of tips that are provided with these as well. So no matter what kind of ear type you have, whether you have a big ear, whether you have a small ear canal, they got tips that'll fit, right? So you don't have to, so you get a nice and snug fit. I know a lot of these companies only give you 2 choices, right? Maybe at the most 3. Raycon gives you 4 choices of different sizes of tips, so you are guaranteed to get a nice and snug fit. That's how these stay in your ear all day and feel snug, and they don't basically your ears don't get sore. That's how, right? They give you a bunch of different options here with these Raycon earbuds. You have a QR code you can scan for the full user guide. I'm sure there's more information that they can provide for you. And then you get your tips in here as well. So you have more guides. You can join the Raycon Club here. The Raycon member. You can earn monthly rewards, annual birthday savings. So you get you a brand new pair of Raycon everyday earbuds every year on your birthday with a discount. Oh man, that's nothing better. It's a nice little present for yourself, right? On your birthday, get some Raycon earbuds. Surprise giveaways, first access to exclusive drops on all new products. Stay up to date with all things Raycon. And they got the QR code for you to sign up for that, or the web address down there. I'll link everything in the description. And then you get, look at that, ear tips. Actually, you know what? Holy crap, they give you 5 tips, because check this out. You got 4 here. You have 4 different sizes here, and then you have I didn't realize that, and then you get the ear tips that are on here as well. So they give you 5 different options to choose from. That's basically unheard of. I honestly have never seen that before from any earbud manufacturer. Never, even the high dollar ones that are honestly overpriced, they don't even give you that many options, that many tips. That's why this is a no-brainer. They look good, they feel good, they don't give you ear fatigue. Nice and snug, as you can tell. 5 different sizes of silicone tips. Battery life lasts long, easy to pair, wireless charging. It's a no-brainer. Raycon everyday earbuds. Go get them. Link in the description. Alright, let's go ahead and pair these Raycon everyday earbuds to a device. I got the Pixel 8 Pro here. So what you're simply going to do is go ahead and open these earbuds up. Try to do it with one hand. Fairly easy. Nice and easy. And that should go into pairing mode. As you'll see the lights flashing, that means you're good to go. So what we'll do is go to our Bluetooth settings here. We will hit pair new device. And whoop, they were the first ones to show up. You simply tap that. And we're going to hit yes, allow, and then pair. And what do you know? That easy. Now, go into settings. You can have an option for audio device type. We'll hit, they are headphones. And then you have options here. Look at this. So you got HD audio, AAC. I always have that on. And you have options for phone calls, media audio, for YouTube, music, and then allow access to contacts and call history. Yes, I will give that permission. And then the spatial audio from capable media devices becomes more immersed. We definitely want that. And that's why they sound so good. That spatial audio option is absolutely wonderful. These sound like just phenomenal. I mean, they really do. You're going to be impressed. So after you pair them, you're ready to roll. Now, let's see what they sound like with them paired. I'll do a video with them in my ears and from the Pixel so you can hear what it sounds like if you record a video. All right, and this is what it sounds like when paired to your phone. Now, again, I'm on my Pixel 8 Pro, but as you can tell, they're nice and snug in my ear, and this is the audio. This is what it sounds like recording through the Everyday Earbuds by Raycon. Gives you a nice sample of what it sounds like while recording a video, media, anything of that sort. Sounds pretty good, right? Pretty decent, especially when you have all the options for spatial audio and high definition audio selected in the Bluetooth settings. So, nice, good example of what you can expect when you have these paired to your device and you are recording videos, whether you're vlogging or whatever you do on your phone, making a YouTube video like myself. Get you nice audio here paired to your device. So, about to do, and boy, did I enjoy using these. These are actually really, really good earbuds at a fraction of the cost of the typical name brand earbuds you can think of, right? I'm sure you could think of a couple of the top name brands. These give you the same fit, the same phenomenal feel, and most important of all, awesome audio quality. It's been a joy using these Raycon earbuds. As you can tell, pretty nice, really compact size. This case charges, I think, in about 45 minutes, right? But the earbuds these give you a long battery life. Over the last few days, now I was using them off and on, right? So I haven't used them I haven't had continuous usage, meaning I charge these up to 100% and I used them in my ear until they were down to 0. I used them basically throughout the day, these last few days. And I can say these, just the earbuds alone, when you put them in, last, I think, probably about 6 to 7 hours, which is pretty damn good. A lot of other earbuds won't give you that. So this is on the higher end battery life. So you get a very good battery life. Now the case will give you, I think, another 2 charges. So if you're right off the bat, if you have full battery in the earbuds and then you have a full battery in the casing, it'll basically give you like 3 full charges, which is what, if they last about 6 to 7 hours, that's like 21 hours of use. That's like basically a full day of usage, continuous use. So you're going to be good no matter where you use these, even if you're not around like you're traveling through airports on an airplane. It lasts you the whole trip, right? The whole day of traveling, and you can't ask for much more than that. I got these in nice blue. It comes with a lanyard here, right? A little lanyard in the case. You can put it on your keychain. You never leave home without them, right? So you have the nice branding, the Raycon right there. Now, the fit and feel. The fit and feel of these are really nice. Let me show you how nice and easy these go on. Check these out. Nice earbuds, very good design. I think the R&D team did a phenomenal job with the design of these, because when you put them in, they stay in, right? You don't have to have, you know how some earbuds have a wing tip on there? These, you don't need a wing tip. These fit right in, and once you pop them in and snug them in place, they're staying, right? So watch. You go nice and easy. Watch this. And as I mentioned, or as I showed you in the unboxing, they come with a number of tips as well. So you just simply take it out. Case like this goes in nice and easy. Very basic, very simple. You don't need something fancy for a case, right? All you mainly need in a case is good battery life. And here's another little thing. How many Bluetooth earbuds have you purchased, right? And they're a pain in the butt to take out, right? Some of these are the design, they fit so good in their casing, it's hard to take out. I can't tell you how many earbuds I've had where you sit there for a good 15 seconds trying to get each earbud out. You're wasting time. When you're on a workout or you want to throw these on a trip, you're on a subway, on an airplane, last thing you want to do is sit there and struggle with taking them out. These are super duper easy. Watch. Open it up. Take it out. See, watch this. Nice and easy. Looks good. Feels good. And for the left ear. Looks good. Feels good. Now, I do not have to do a shake test with these. Well, I'll go ahead and do it. They're not going anywhere. These fit right in your ear, and they're snug. And here's the other thing I noticed using these over the last few days. Right. One of the things you have to worry about, and not a lot of people talk about this, is ear fatigue. What is ear fatigue? Ear fatigue is when you get new earbuds and you put them in, like, wow, they fit really nice, really snug. Let's go. And then you start using them throughout the day, whether you're at work, you work outside, or you go to a gym, or you go for your job, right? And then throughout the day, maybe after an hour or two, your ear starts to get sore. It's like, you got to take them out for a few minutes to give your ears a break. But these, you don't have that. You don't have that at all. In fact, I can't think of one time over these last few days where I've put these on and I've had ear fatigue. In fact, there was zero. There was none, which is good because that means that they're very well designed. They put time into designing these, right? Because when you make earbuds, like, look, you've seen all sorts of different designs. They spent time making sure these are a good fit and will not, because that's my big thing is ear fatigue. I can't tell you how many earbuds, as I mentioned just a second ago, I can't tell you how many earbuds I purchased in the past where you get ear fatigue and then you don't want to wear them, right? But these, you don't have that. So who are these good for? These are good for essentially anybody, honestly. Whether you're going to use them to go for a run, whether you run, a jog, if you want to go to a trip to the gym, perfect for working out because they don't fall out, right? Nice and snug. They're good for phone calls. They're good for viewing media. Now, the sound quality on here, very good. Very good. You got the nice deep bass, and then you get the nice high clear treble as well. So even in the mid-level, audio range is pretty decent. So you're getting high quality audio, high quality fit and feel, and battery life. So those are the 3 or 4 main topics that I personally look for when I am in the market to purchase new earbuds. These provide everything, honestly. I could not be happier with these. I wish I could come up with a negative because it sounds like I'm just talking these up, but these are really good products and they're not expensive. So it's a no-brainer. I honestly, look, the only thing that I can think of that I would add to this is wireless charging. But now that the case wireless charging, I don't think it has it. But now that I look at the case, maybe it does. Look, it has a charging symbol on the bottom. Should we test it out? because I was like, damn, what are these missing, or what am I missing? There's got to be some negative about this product. And I was like, I don't really, they look good, they feel good, they don't make your ear sore, they don't fall out, audio quality is good, battery life is good. Did I mention they're inexpensive? They're inexpensive. Let's test, because I was like, well, most of the high dollar ones have wireless charging in the case. So I was like, well, maybe this is missing just the wireless charging, but let's test it out. I got a wireless charger right here. Hang on. And so this is for, because look, I've worn them down, the battery life. And here's the other thing. It'll give you an indicator on the bottom of the case here. It's got these little dots. That'll tell you how much battery life is inside the case, right? So when I close it, it's only on the red dot. So I've been using these quite a bit. Now let's see if this will charge with the wireless charger. I'll be damned. Look at that. It does have wireless charging. Huh. Wow. All right. Well, there you have it. These are a must buy then. You get basically every single thing the high dollar, name brand, high value earbuds give you at a fraction of the price, honestly. I do not think you will be dissatisfied if you purchase these. You get wireless charging in the case. You get long battery life. You get phenomenal sound quality, audio quality. They don't fall out. You don't get ear fatigue. What's not to like, right? Honestly. So it's a sweep of my testing. 2 big thumbs up for these Raycon earbuds. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy these. You won't regret these. And the cool blue. Look how good those look. And they come in multiple colors too. So I give it my stamp of approval. And I love these, and I think you will too. So Raycon earbuds. Appreciate it as always. And I will see you tomorrow. Peace.